What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now you can see that we are done with the variable products. We are done with the simple products, and now in this video we'll be working with the group products. So that is also the most important thing. So I'm just gonna go to the products and all products right here. Let me just close all these tabs. Okay, and then here you can see that we have these products. So we have t-shirt for Nike, zipper hoodies, and t-shirt for men by Levi's. So I'm just gonna create a group product, okay, and that will be like winter pack. So you can create a winter pack and then you can sell 2 of them product for like a discount. Okay, how this is gonna work, I'm just gonna hit add new right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a group product. So here will be winter pack, winter package 2017. Okay, and then here I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit group products. Okay, so now I have to come here to the link products, and then here I want to search for a product. So how this is gonna work, let me show you. So this will be like winter package 217. Okay, this is in stock. Okay, and then we have the link product. So here I want to search for like hoodie. Okay, we have zipper hoodies. Okay, and then I'm gonna search for hoodie again. Okay, let's just go to all products right here and let's see the list of all the products that we have. So I'm just gonna go to the products right here. I'm gonna go to all products, and you can see that this is also the SKU is also coming. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna go to the next one we have is t-shirt. So I'm just gonna search for t-shirt right here. T-shirt for men by Levi's and t-shirt for men by Nike. So you can see instead of the SKU, since we haven't added the SKU, the ID is coming. So you can also add an ID, specific ID. If you just bring your mouse here, you can see this is the 50 ID. So if I just come here and I just come here and I just add like 50. 501 Levi's. Okay. Okay, I cannot search with the ID because I have to search for it. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit t-shirt right now because I have to add the 3 keyword. Okay, and then we have the 50 ID. So I'm just gonna grab it, and I just want one more, and that will be the t-shirt. So this will be 57. Okay, and then you can see that everything is right here. Everything is coming here, and we have the winter whole package. So if someone buys this, everything will be added from them. So here what I can do, I can just search for like t-shirt here in the main category, or just search for the men in the, under the t-shirt. And then I also want the product image. So my product image will be a bulk of t-shirts. So I'm just gonna go to pixabay.com. So Unsplash basically is used for the background images, and Pixabay is used for the normal images. So make sure to keep that in mind. So if you need a background image, we go to unsplash.com, and if you need a normal image, then we go to pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is kind of slow right now. It is just waiting. So okay, here I need clothing. Okay. So let's just search for shirts. Okay, let's just search for wardrobe. So this is the one. Okay, I'm just gonna add this one. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna select this, and let's just hit download. Okay, I'm gonna come here to add new product, and then I'm gonna drag and drop it right here. So if you do not find the image, make sure that you change your keywords, you just search for it, and you will find your image. So you can see this is the image right here. And if you don't want to search, you can just create your own for Illustrator, the Photoshop, if you are a designer. So here I'm going to add some short description. This package is best for you. Okay, and then here I need some lorem ipsum, so I'm just going to come here, I'm just going to drag and drop it right here, copy, and then come and paste. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit publish right now, and you can see that a group product has been added. So if I just open this up, you will see how this is gonna look. Okay, this is how it is looking. So you can see we have zipper hoodies, we have t-shirts from men by Levi's, and then we have this t-shirt from it. So this is how it is looking. Okay, you can see that this is a group product. This is a complete package, and it has zipper hoodies, it has t-shirt for men by Levi's, and t-shirt for men by Nike. So these three are it. So if I just come here, I just select it from select options, you can see that this is here. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit green, and I'm gonna hit add to cart. So you can see this is now added to my cart. So this is how it is looking. If I just go back, so you can see this is since a variable product, that is why it is creating some mess. It is taking us to the package itself. But if we just come here and we let's just remove it from here, the cart section. And if I just click the quantity, since if this is not the variable product, and this is also the simple product. So let's just come here to the package, and let's come here to the link product. So I just want to remove the zipper hoodies. Let's just come here, zipper hoodies and t-shirt for men by Nike. Let's just remove it. Zipper hoodies and t-shirt for men by Nike. Okay, and instead I need t-shirt, t-shirt one more, and that will be t-shirt for men. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit update. Okay, and then let's come here and let's refresh this. So you can see that this is our winter package 2017, and we have $10 to $25. So we have t-shirt for men by Levi's, we have t-shirt for men. These are the products that we have in this group product. Okay, if I just select that I need this one quantity and I need this one, okay, and then I hit add to cart, then you can see these both two will be added to my cart automatically. So how this is gonna work, okay, and what are the uses and why you should use this like this. So I just gave you an option that you can create a specific package, and then you can let the customers choose that what they want. Okay, same like this, you can create a product for like if you have an online shop for books, okay, and then you can create an online shop for like class 7. So for class 7 it would have all the books like class 7 English, class 7 maths. So the person has to select that I need one class 7 English, I need one class 7 maths, and I have the other one is like science or the biology or the physics. So I have the physics at my home. My brother has used that physics, so I don't want to buy it. I'll just choose 0. Okay, so if he'll choose 0, and then the package will be automatically added to his cart. Okay, and all the books will be added to the cart, and then he can check it out. So if you are a school and you want to create an online shop for that, you can create group products. So this is the perfect example. Okay, if you want it, I can also show you. You just have to go to the post. You have to create a product for like class 7 English. You have to create 3-4 products. Okay, and then you have to assign a group product, and then you have to add them simultaneously. So this is how basically the group products work. And if I just come here to the shop right here, then you can see everything is coming. Even we have the winter package itself that is coming. So you can just, if you have an online shop, then you can select like class 7 whole course for the city school, or for like the Beacon House or something like that. So you can just vary them, or for St. Michael's School, St. Paul's School, or St. Patrick's School. So you can just vary them if you have an online shop for books. So I just gave you a perfect example for the group products. So this is how the group products works, and now we have the basic understanding of every product that we can add. So we can add a simple product, we can add a variable product, and we can also add a group product. So you can see that this saying select options, this saying select options, this says add to cart, and this says view products that we have in here. So thanks a lot guys for watching this, and in the next video we'll be learning about the affiliate products. I'm going to show you how affiliate products work, and then we'll be working up with the customization, we'll design our homepage, and we'll move forward. So stay tuned guys, and goodbye.